How do visions become reality? Through people's passion. We have a passion for security. By securing your supply at any scale and by optimizing logistics. We have a passion for innovation. By creating advances and translating them into solutions with our world-class infrastructure. We have a passion for customization. By focusing on what makes your business unique. We have a passion for service. By understanding the industry landscape and delivering answers when and where needed. We have a passion for solutions. Welcome to Roche CustomBiotech.